Top 1 Mr. Fantastic, IQ level 217 plus. Why? First point, master of all sciences. Unlike Tony Stark, engineering or Bruce Banner, nuclear physics reads and expect in every major scientific field. Second point, invention and discoveries. Greater time matchiness, multiversal portals and interdimensional travel. Third point, recognized by bears. Dr. Doom, Tony Stark and T'Challa all acknowledge him as the smartest. Fourth point, leader and thinker. Leads the Fantastic Four and makes scientific breakthroughs that influence the entire Marvel universe. Verdict, the most versatile and canonically the smartest hero in Marvel. Top 2 Tony Stark, IQ level 267 plus. Reason. First point, engineering and technology genius. Built the Iron Man suit from scraps in a cave. Second point, AI and nanotechnology. Created advanced AI, Jarvis Friday, nanotech suits and advanced armor for the Avengers. Third point, fast thinker. Solves complex problems quickly, like inventing time travel in Avengers Endgame. Fourth point, tactical intelligence. Outsmarts opponent with strategy and tech, not just brute force. Verdict. Best in technology and engineering, but lacks reads multiversal knowledge. Top 3 Dr. Doom, IQ level 225 plus, master of both science and magic. Unlike most genius, Doom combines scientific intelligence with sorcery. Point 2 Multiversal achievements. Conquered relative secret wars, created time matchiness and stole cosmic powers. Third point revealed to Reed Richards. If not for his arrogance, he could be Marvel's SM. So, verdict genius revealed to Reed. But ego and arrogance hold him back. Top 4 Bruce Banner, IQ level 200 to 250. First point, nuclear physics and gamma radiation expert. Master at gamma radiation science, leading to Hulk's creation. Point number 2, healing and weapon technology. Created Hulk booster tech, anti-gamma device, and worked with Tony Stark on major inventions. Third point, limitations. His intelligence is sometimes compromised by his Hulk persona. So finally, verdict, one of the Marvel's top scientists but focused mainly on gamma-related fields. Top 5 Black Panther, IQ level 108 into 200. First point, strategic and political genius. Balances ruling Wakanda with leading the Avengers. Second point, vibranium technology. Enhanced Wakanda tech, surpassing most of Earth innovations. Third point, combat intelligence. One of Marvel's best tactician, often outmaneuvering force. So, verdict, smartest strategist ruling the world most advanced nation. Top 6 Ant-Man, IQ level 119 to 210. First point, creator of Pym particles. Invented size changing technology which defies physics. Second point, AI and robotic expert. Created Ultron, though it went wrong. Third point, limitations. Struggles with mental stability and self-doubt. Finally, verdict, brilliant scientist but emotionally unstable, limiting his effectiveness. Top 7 Shuri, IQ level 118 to 200. First point, tech innovator. Improved vibranium based technology and developed Wakanda healing devices. Second point, AI and nanotech expert. Created Black Panther enhanced suits. Third point, potential. Still young but already outpacing older scientists. So verdict, younger than T'Challa but has potential to surpass him in tech. Top 8 Peter Parker, IQ level 118. Self doubt genius. Invented web shooters, new suit designs, and advanced chemical compounds as a teenager. Second point Innovative thinking. Uses intelligence creatively in fights. Third point Limitations. Young and does not have the resource of someone like Stark. So finally, verdict. A young prodigy with immense potential but not at the top yet. Top 9 Professor X, IQ level 116 to 118. First point, master genetics and telepathy. Expert in human evolution and created share bro. The second point, telepathic intelligence. His ability to read and influence minds makes him unique. Third point, limitations. Intelligence is specialist in genetics and telepathy, not science by tech. So verdict, a genius in genetics and telepathy, but not a tech inventor. Top 10 Moon Girl. IQ level 252 to 300. Canonically the smartest human. Marvel has confirmed she has the highest IQ. Second point, Young Prodigy. Outsmarted Reed Richards and Tony Stark in certain situations. So finally verdict. Highest IQ but lack the real world impact of older geniuses. Who is the smartest? Reed Richards is Marvel's smartest overall hero. He excels in multiple scientific fields, has the biggest impact on the Marvel universe, regularly solves multiversal problems that even Tony Stark and Doctor Doom struggle with. However, Tony Stark is the smartest in technology.